What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, it's going to be a informational video about a trading group I'm going to be starting for FIFA 21. So, as you guys have, maybe you haven't seen it already, but I did post this on my Instagram a little bit earlier, and I have uploaded this video so that I can explain to you guys in a little more depth than rather than you just guys reading stuff and then having to decide whether you want to join the group or not. So yeah, it's gonna be my trading group. I'm going to be charging £5 a month. For some of you guys, that probably seems like a lot of money for you guys, but it's not like you're bound to having to pay the entire year. Like, if you just want to pay for 1 month, then just pay for 1 month and see how you like it. And if you like it, come back again. If you don't, then you can leave. But yeah, it's a monthly basis. The reason I do that is because there has to be an incentive for me. What you guys probably don't understand is that, like, trading itself takes time, but like helping other people and finding methods and trading from my own account and then helping other people and having to do, like, I go to college and stuff, so there's a lot of stuff for me to do for college. So it's like sort of like a job. So I have to be able to make some money out of it because it's going to take up a lot of time for me. But like it says in my message down below, I started this account, the Instagram account, specifically to help people trade because I was enjoying trading. I was enjoying trading in FIFA 20. So I was like, you know what, let me just make an Instagram account, help people trade. And it's sort of just progressed into an account where it's like all about FIFA stuff. But as FIFA 21 starts up again, I want to like keep doing FIFA trading because that's what I'm most passionate about for this account. So I have 5 years of market experience. I've been doing this for quite a while. Like I said, I just love trading. It's a lot of fun for me because I'm able to create teams that other people couldn't create because I've spent the time trading and understanding the market. So I love doing all that. And so I just want to get into what the group's going to offer. So it's going to be a private trading group. Now, the private trading group I can show you here is going to be on Discord. So for you guys that don't know how to use it, it's pretty simple. So here we have a welcome page. This is what you'll see when you first come in. Obviously, things aren't final yet. Like, I haven't obviously created all the text channels and stuff. There's going to be plenty more, but I just put a couple here just to show you guys. So there's going to be some trading guides here. And specifically what trading guides are going to be, it's going to be like a image. Like you kind of see on my Instagram, you see a lot of these posts. Like, let me show you. For those of you who are not familiar with my Instagram, this is kind of what my Instagram looks like on the desktop. So it's going to be kind of like this. Pictures, and it's going to have a just a guide on how to do a specific method. So, for example, let's say we were doing icon flipping. I'd have a guide on like what filters to use, which players to look at, what times to buy it, and it'll have all this laid out nicely. And like if you guys ever need to learn how to trade using that method, or you want to learn a new method, you can easily just look at that image and be able to understand what you need to do. And then obviously a big way to make coins this year, and I'm assuming it'll be the same next year, is the weekend league flipping. Weekend league flipping is probably the best way, and actually probably one of the easiest ways to understand and get a grip around is weekend league flipping. You guys are probably all familiar with that. There's plenty of videos on YouTube, but even having the videos, it's kind of hard. So what you need to understand is what time to buy the players, which players to buy, and that's what I'm going to basically be providing. It's going to be both Xbox and PS4, so I'm going to be able to provide the prices for both those consoles at like what price to buy, what time to sell, and all that. So that's all that stuff's going to be here. And then I just have for now, there's obviously going to be a lot more text channels because there's many more methods that I know, and I'm sure I'll learn some new ones next year. But there's going to be just the questions and just a general chat for you guys to ask any questions about FIFA and all that stuff. And this will be a place to ask questions if you're not sure of things. I will have a one-on-one session where I can help people learn how to trade. I can sit there and just basically guide them while they're trading to make their experience a little bit better. So that's what the private trading group is going to look like. There's going to be Discord and all that. So yeah, you will get daily trading tips on top of all the guides, weekend league flippings and stuff. You will get daily trading tips like, here's this filter, try it out and snipe some players. Here's the players you should buy for this SBC or something like that. All that's going to be coming on a daily basis. Like I mentioned, one-on-one advice / investing help. So if you guys are finding that like you're struggling even with the stuff that I'm posting, I'd be more than glad to sit down with you and just basically discuss like what you're not understanding or like what's not clear, and I'd be glad to help you guys understand that a little bit better and basically get a better feel for trading, because some of you guys might have no experience, some of you guys might be like medium experienced in terms of trading, so be different levels, and I'm more than happy to help you guys with that. We're going to have an investment strategy. What that means is basically how should you invest for like new promos, things like Weekend League, but a little bit different because this is more of like a strategy, like when to buy cards like for new promos, when to buy cards that are going to go out of packs, all that kind of stuff, like when's the best time to sell, how long to hold. So it's going to be kind of like a informational investment guide. There will be monthly giveaways. So like I said, this is a paid trading group, so like you guys are already getting a bunch back for the in terms of like what's going into the group, in terms of like investments, tips, and all that. But I obviously I don't want to be the guy that like takes money from everyone and then just does nothing with it. So like I really feel like I should feel passionate about this, which is why I'm doing it. And if I'm taking your guys' money, I need to be giving back to you guys. So I will reinvest some of that money that I earn from you guys, and we'll do maybe some like, obviously coin giveaways are not really too important in a trading group because the whole purpose of the trading group is to make coins. So doing coin giveaways in a trading group just doesn't seem logical to me. So we'll do more things like FIFA point giveaways, or a gift card giveaway for your console, or maybe like a free month, all that kind of stuff, just to give back to you guys, and like just to show you guys that like I'm here for you, and I don't want to be selfish and keep all the money to myself. So that's why I'll be doing monthly giveaways. There will be a mod team, so I don't know how big this trading group will get. It could be a few people, it could be 10 people, I don't know. The bigger it gets, the more people I'm going to need to help me. So right now I'm aiming to start with 1 to 2 people because I don't know how many people are going to join. If I get a lot of you guys wanting to join, that's great. If we start off slow, that's great too. That'll be better for the people that are in the group. But as we progress, if we get more and more people, because I anticipate you guys to be doing pretty good in this group, so I hope that other people would want to join. So then we'll have more mods to help me and to help you guys, so that we have more people online when you guys have a question. Because I also live in the US, and I know a lot of the people that follow me and will probably join this will be in the UK or Europe somewhere. So I already have some people lined up wanting to be a mod that I know that live in a completely different time zone than me, which is actually really perfect, because when I'm not available because I'm like sleeping or something, they're going to be up and be able to help you. And while they're asleep or doing something, I'll be up and I'll be able to help you. So it all works out pretty good that way for me being in the US. And then Sbc Reviews. So as you guys might know, on my Instagram, if I can scroll down, it might take a while, but I used to do a bunch of player reviews and stuff. So here's just an example of like a trading method kind of. This will be a lot more detailed, but this was actually it just shows you like what times to buy, what players to look for, and all that. So this is kind of just a nice little, and here you go. Here's like a nice little guide with a bunch of words, but I'll try and simplify it. But it just shows you how to find like the lows and highs of cards, good cards to do it with, best cards to buy, how much you can make. So that just shows you like the kind of guides that I'll be trying to put out for you guys. I'm hoping it'll be a lot better. And then you're just really going to get like things like random things that have nothing to do with trading just because it's extra bonuses, like grinding icon packs. When this came out, it was a big hit for my Instagram. So I'll put this out on the Discord much earlier than I would on my Instagram, and then you guys have a little advanced knowledge there. And then if it's quite a ways down. It was like a couple of months after I started my Instagram account. But here's some like player reviews. So you'll get these kind of things for SBCs, like, because we're gonna have a bunch of coins to spend on SBCs and kind of stuff. You guys are gonna want to know, should I be doing this SBC? So this will kind of help you guys with that, and you guys will get the player reviews. Some will be exclusive to the trading group only. Some will be early access to the Discord chat. So yeah, you guys will you'll always end up getting something exclusive or early compared to my Instagram for just £5 a month, and you'll be able to get all this trading tips and stuff. So that was just an informational video on the trading group. I really hope you guys consider joining the group. And yeah, so if you want more information, you obviously checked out this video, and I thank you for at least checking it out. Whether you join it or not, I don't know. If you don't join it, that's totally okay. I will still be posting, like I said, some trading tips on my Instagram. There will still be YouTube videos for trading tips, but this group will just be a lot more content for you guys in terms of trading. And then if you also wanted to, if you've decided that you wanted to join the group, check out my Patreon, and that is over here. So it shows up as $6.50 a month because it's in dollars. So it's £5, but due to the conversion, it's $6.50. But you'll still end up, if you're in the UK, you'll still end up paying £5. That's the way it works. And you'll see the same stuff here, exactly listed on the post that I did, and it highlights that this group is for both PS4 and Xbox users. So I'm not going to discriminate against Xbox because I don't have one. I will gladly look up your prices and tell you what price to buy players and stuff. Obviously, the market is a little bit different for each, but they still have the same fluctuations. Roughly, some players might go higher on Xbox, but I will be taking a look for you guys for that. And if you're watching this and you want to join and you want to be a mod, I will probably have maybe like some sort of form you guys can fill out so I can get some information and I can understand who's the best for the position. But I just want you to know the mod is a paid position, so if that's something you're interested in doing, just go ahead and send me a DM on Instagram if you don't see anything. But yeah, that's that for the video. I hope you guys seriously consider joining the trading group. I'm really looking forward to it. I think everyone in the group will be able to make millions next year. So yeah, if you guys are interested, just just if you have any questions that I didn't answer in this video, feel free to DM me on my Instagram. The link to that is in the description, and the link to my Patreon will be in the description too. If you decide you want to go ahead, perfect. Just head over to the Patreon and click the join button. Right now, there's not a limit because I don't anticipate there's going to be like thousands of people wanting to join just because it's new. But yeah, if you want, it's here. So yeah, that's it for me today, guys.